Welcome back to Ema's Nail Box. If you're new here, I'm very excited you're here. If you're not new, I'm extremely excited you're back. I have a short one for you here today, and I have been on the hunt for an affordable option for my super strong magnet. So I found a couple of things that I want to show you, and we're going to do a short demo to see how they work. But this is the magnet you guys see me use most often in my videos. And one of you asked about this, and yes, this is one of those little paw print magnets that I got off of Shein, Temu, AliExpress, one of them. This came in a Korean collection that I don't remember which collection it was, but I attached them because it's easier to handle when it's longer. I believe this adds a little bit to it, but don't know, not much. Anyway, so I went on the hunt, and this is a fairly large magnet. I don't know what the size is. So in my perusing, once my no-buy was over, I looked for the largest magnet I could find. So I bought another paw print. This is a 3 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and you'll notice it's a little bit smaller, but still very powerful. And then I found this one, and I thought it was bigger, but I don't think it really is. I think it looks to be the same size. And then I found this cute little penguin one, also very strong. So what we're going to do is we're going to get set up, and we're going to test out these magnets and see how they work. Hopefully one of these is a dupe for my super strong magnet. Okay, we are back with 3 prepped nails in black. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this Rargism 1556 from my Galaxy inspired nails. And I think this one will show up the best when we're testing out these magnets. So I'm just not sure which one we should start with. So let's start with my super strong magnet. Let's get these nails out of the way. And let's get this base layer down. And let's test out these magnets. Now, if any of these prove to be comparable, regardless, I will have the links in the description box. I believe all of these came from Shein. I have a couple of more on the way, but I'm thinking they're gonna be the same size. Now, I could show you these next to each other. I'm just not sure how that would go. So here's my super strong magnet. Let's move that out of the way. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It's slightly bigger. Let's see if I can do this without causing problems. If you can see, it's slightly bigger. However, they seem to be just as powerful, because I was sitting here with my tweezers on one of these new ones, and it flew across and grabbed the tweezers. So, all right, here we go. Boom, boom. And I got these teeny tiny non-magnetic stands. And let's just bring it out. Bring that out. And throw it in the lamp, and we will move on to magnet number 2. That would be the magnet number 2 is the cat paw on one of the magnets that I got from Shein. So that's up next. And I think these 2 new magnets are pretty much the same size. Still on the hunt for one that's slightly bigger than my favorite, but for now, there are options. I tested them out. I thought they were comparable, but I will let you guys be the judge of that. If you hear any noise in the background, hubby's watching a noisy movie. Hopefully you can't hear it. I hear a lot of booms. Like we didn't hear enough booms last night on the 4th of July. Our poor dogs, they were, well, Precious is pretty much deaf. They didn't seem to bother her too much, but poor Sammy, he was a hot mess last night. And we unfortunately had to calm him down with some medication. But, and there, oh wow, that's pretty comparable. I tell you, there's something about sticking these magnets together. Not only for the strength, but the handling of them. This is not bad. This is not bad. It looks like an option, folks. That seemed to perform very well. I'm not going to mess with them. I'm going to try to do the same swipes on all of them. I mean, you know, cat eye is cat eye. Let's get that second one in the lamp. Oops. Hopefully without me dropping it. And we'll move on to our third option. Okay, super strong. Let's move on to this one. This would be, it looks to be the same size magnet on a penguin. It says penguin, as if you didn't know. It's a pink penguin. So let's get our cat eye down here and see how this looks. I just am coming off of 4 days off. It's Sunday, the day after the 4th of July. And I'm sad that tomorrow is a work day. Oh, so sad. Those long weekends go by way too quickly. All right, let's try out Mr. Penguin. And get in frame, and away we go. Oh, Mr. Penguin is an option too. Wow, this one actually works very well. Yeah, guys, I think these might work. There is number 2, which was the tan paw print, and Mr. Penguin is going into the lamp. Okay, so the one on the left was done with the super strong magnet. This one was done with the cat paw, and they're comparable, guys, and I found them just as easy to work with. I think they'll do. Like I said, this magnet is bigger, but it's also heavier. It's heavier. The other two are much lighter. And strength-wise, I'm not seeing a lot of difference. So that is a good thing for you guys looking for the affordable option. I will have these linked in the description box. I got this cat paw and this one from Shein. I believe this one also came from Shein, the penguin and this magnet. I thought they were the same size, but they do feel weight-wise, I think there's a slight difference in them, but I'm not sure. It could be that this magnet, the penguin, isn't as strong as the cat paw. Okay, and there's the penguin. And let's see if we can get them all three together and see if I can pick them up without dropping them. Of course, the ships are going to be different because Ema's dexterity isn't that great. I think we have some winners, folks. We have winners. I'm so excited. I told you guys I would find one. I would find an affordable option. And if the magnets that have not yet come in stand up to the Mr. Super Strong magnet test, there'll be more coming in a future haul. Because yes, the no-buy is over. The hauls are once again in progress. I obviously got a few things because the magnets came. I was very excited to find these magnets. Okay, so that will do it for this video. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're enjoying my content, please hit that subscribe button and like, share, comment. I love the comments. I love to respond to the comments. And hit that notification bell so you know when I post. So until next time, my camera's going bonkers. Let's move that out of the way. We have 3 super strong magnets now. And that'll do it for this video. Thank you again for being here. Marcus, Delaney, Alexis, Dawson, Lydia, Cassie, Noah, and Arlo. We love you so, so much. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our email.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when she posts.
See you next time.